to the Trump trial. The judge in the criminal trial against former President Donald Trump heard arguments today about whether the presumptive Republican presidential nominee is violating the court's gag order. No decision has been made or announced as of yet, but following that hearing, the prosecution continued to build its case with additional testimony today. For a complete wrap-up, correspondent Nate Foy, once again outside the New York Supreme Court.
Former American media CEO and president David Pecker testified today. He made a secret agreement to benefit former President Donald Trump's 2016 campaign. Pecker testified, quote, "I would be the eyes and ears working with Trump's former lawyer, Michael Cohen, to suppress negative stories about Trump and publish negative stories about his opponents, including former President Bill Clinton and former Secretary of State, then presidential candidate Hillary Clinton." Trump says this trial is benefiting his current political adversary, President Joe Biden.
It's a very unfair situation. We're locked up in a courtroom, but this guy's out there campaigning.
Pecker testified he and Cohen identified and suppressed stories from former Playboy model Karen McDougal and a false story from a Trump Tower doorman. Today, Judge Juan Merchan reserved his decision about whether or not Trump violated the court's gag order by sharing articles online about witnesses in the case.
Somebody's name is mentioned somewhere deep in the article, and I end up in violation of a gag order. I think it's a disgrace. It's totally unconstitutional.
Trump's lawyer Todd Blanche claimed the former president's post represented responses to attacks from his opponents. But after failing to provide an example, Merchan scolded him, saying, quote, "Mr. Blanche, you are losing all credibility with the court." Brett, in a conversation away from the jury today, prosecutor Joshua Steinglass revealed the crime that Manhattan DA Alvin Bragg did not include in his indictment of former President Donald Trump. It's New York law section 17, part 152. And what we can take from it is that Trump is accused of falsifying business records to aid a conspiracy to win the 2016 presidential election. Brett?
Nate Foy in New York. Nate, thanks.